Hey, hello everyone. I'm going to do a review about the orange-haired motorcycle girl. This is made by Moreart, that is also known for Time Micro. It's in a 1/64 scale. Already did a review about these two here, short videos, but when I receive the other ones, I will do a long video about all of them. Now we're going to have a look at this one. So yeah, here we got some more information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Comes in a nice tin box. I like that, with a nice picture of what's inside. Let's open it up. Please don't press. So don't do this. Don't do this. Really well packed with foam for good protection. Here we got the motorcycle, extra packed in a plastic baggie. And there is the girl. Okay, let's do it like this, and we switch to, no, this is a good camera mode. So here we can see the girl, and you can see for a 1/64 scale that is really special that she even has some eyes and her lips are painted red. Let's have a closer look. Yeah. The thing is, with these small figures, if you paint the eyes, it can look a little bit weird. In this case, it's on the edge of a little bit weird, but it is okay. She got nice high heels. And I have to say, it is really well painted. You must know that these figures are produced in pretty large numbers. So to get that paint good, that's not easy. Okay, I'm wondering if she will stand without the green gum. Yes, that is a very special, I have to say. There, focus on the girl, please. Focus on the girl. There's a lot of stuff on the table. Okay, the camera doesn't want to focus on the girl, but it will focus here on the motorcycle. Let's take it out of the plastic baggie. Yep, there we go. Looks like a Ducati. It doesn't say anything about a brand. Oh no, wait a minute. It says Ducati right here. It is a Ducati. Here it says Ducati. Maybe if I switch to the... No, it is really difficult to see, but you must believe me, it says Ducati. Yeah, I think this racing bike motorcycle looks really cool. Those techniques... Oh, drop the girl. There's also some green gum in this package. I hope I didn't break any high heel. Nope. Well, just lay her down. She can rest a little bit. Yeah, the techniques of this 3D printing is getting better and better. And therefore we get sweet little cool motorcycles like this. And I think Moreart did really well on this one. Perfect to put it next to a car in a diorama. Only downside with this one, there is no standard. So when you're putting it in a diorama, you have to place it against a wall like this or next to a car. And then the girl next to it. And then you can make a really nice photo. Okay, let me know what you think about this very cool, in my opinion, motorcycle and orange-haired girl. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please thumbs up, and I'll see you soon for more diecast, diorama, figures, etc. Bye.